This micro-credential has widened my appetite. I'm looking at doing more in-depth study. It leaves you going, I want to do more in this. My name is Maxine Kelly. I studied Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Micro-credential at Trinity College, Dublin. I'm a National Volunteer Coordinator for Lacala Mentoring. It's really important for me to keep my skills up to date, particularly in the field of equality, diversity and inclusion, because things change a lot and quickly. Social policy is changing and it needs to be impacted by up-to-date research. Doing this micro-credential helped me to improve my research skills. It helped me to improve my use of language within this complex field of equality, diversity and inclusion. And it helped me to build a new skill of understanding the impact of intersectionality. I just feel like I have more of a legitimate voice to talk about these issues, to keep them on the agenda and to bring them into our work and to challenge them.